Bonjour pe bonsoir bandeko na ngai ya lisola Congo, bolanda biso, bosabone pe bolaiki na programme na biso ya sika. Cours ya anglais ekopesama na anglais, explication ndambu ya lingala, ndambu ya anglais pona bandeko na biso bakoka apprendre avec facilité. En tout cas, bosabone tokozala wana na Phoebe.
This is a channel that's really dedicated to teaching you English through a lot of English practice, some lingala, and some French. I will be helping, teach you through these videos, and I'll mostly just be speaking English for you. So please subscribe so you can see every video that we post and that you can learn as much English as you can.
Soyons unis et nous allons s'exprimer en anglais. Bye.
Bye. So today we are going to talk about the spelling of words, how to spell the words that you also can say. Okay. So hello is when you first walk up to someone and you say hi.
Mbote.
When you leave a conversation, you say goodbye.
Kende malamu. Au
Another
revoir.
Another way to say goodbye, in America, people say just bye.
Na Amérique bat balwarango bye. Kende malamu.
So hello and goodbye are very general, but you can also say hello by saying good morning.
Salutation na tongo okoloba.
And you do
Bonjour.
this when the sun is going up. You can say good evening
Bon après-midi.
et bonsoir aussi. And this is when the sun goes down. Okay. A way to say goodbye is good night.
Yeah. Bonsoir.
And that would be after the sun has set and it's nighttime. Okay? So you say hello with good morning or good evening, and you say goodbye, or you could say good night. And more commonly than goodbye is just bye.
Kende malamu.
So these are your introductions.
Nyonso wana eza ebandeli.
There are also other things that people may ask you in English. They could ask you after saying hello, how are you?
Boni.
And in the United States, people expect the answer. I'm fine.
Bien.
And this is a contraction. I am.
Je veux dire je suis.
People talk very quickly in the United States, so there are many, many contractions in words. This is very common to see. So you could say I'm fine. You could say I'm good.
Naza bien.
Or you could say I'm okay.
Naza bien.
And these mean the exact same thing. They're just different ways to say I'm good.
Na koloba eza ndenge moko te me nyonso elakisi eloko moko.
Okay. So, after you meet someone, you would say, hello, how are you? And they could say, I'm fine. If you want to know someone's name, you could say, what's your name?
Kombo na yo nani?
And here is another contraction, which is what is.
Wana eza na forme ya Amérique.
So you would respond to this, my name is.
Kombo nanga ezali.
Or another way, you could say I'm. And again, here is the same contraction, I am.
Yeah. Eza forme contractée ou bakati na mokuse.
If someone asks you your name and you want to know theirs, if you want to know their name, you would say, and what's your name?
Et quel est votre nom?
Okay, so this is a very easy way to ask what's your name, and this is the only one that you will see in the United States. Okay, so after you introduce yourself to someone, they will probably ask you, where do you work? So if I say, where do you work?
Où vous travaillez?
You would say, I work at.
Je travaille to na salaka na Smithfield.
So you might work at Smithfield or Farmland
Tope farmland.
or any other place. Just remember to always use at. You do not use any other preposition there, just at.
Okocha oyo balobi wana at.
Another thing someone might ask you is your phone number if they want to contact you or if they want to talk to you. They would say, what's your phone number?
Numéro de téléphone o nini?
And you see here another contraction, which this time means what is.
Ce qui veut dire quel est.
And this is extremely common as well. So now you would say, typically it's shorter. We say my number is.
Mon numéro est.
So we do not need to say phone here. Some people in the United States just say number because most people know that you're talking about a phone. So you could say my number is 660-123-4567. In the United States, we say every single number, okay? And 0, to say it quickly, to say it faster, people pronounce this as O instead of 0.
Na Amérique, 0 bachakango O. 6, 6, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Batangarango moko moko.
Okay. So, after they ask your phone number, maybe they want to go to where you live. So you would tell them your address. The people who ask you this will say, "What is?" What is your address?
Ce qui veut dire quelle est votre adresse ou adresse non nini.
And I would say, my address is,
Mon adresse est to adresse nanga eza.
and the way people write their address in the United States is very, very specific. So, let's say I live at 100 East Normal Street. People would write this as E. They would not put East, just E. After that, you would put the city, the short version of Missouri, MO, and the zip code. Okay?
Adresse na yo nini? Na Amérique ndenge bakomi wana 100 okoloba 100 eza na ekaka I norma oyo balandi wana ezali Kirksville. MO elakisaka Missouri na code postal nango 63501.
So if you want to mail something, you would have to write it exactly like this for the post office.
Soki oza na adresse wana exact okozwa mail na yo to pe mikanda na yo na post office.
And maybe if your work sends you something through mail, like a paycheck, they're going to send it to the exact address that you write down.
Opesi exact adresse exact na yo okozwa biloko na yo na ndako na yo.
And also, so they ask for your phone number, your address. Let's say they ask for your email. They will say, "What's your email?"
Quel est votre email? To email no eza nini.
And then you would say, "My email is,"
Mon email est.
and let's say